Message from me today. The most dangerous thing that you can do right now is to give your power away. To give your power away. To make someone else's voice more important than your voice. Right? To give your power over to an institution, to an ideology. Right? Any of those things. This is a no-no. Don't give your power. Stop giving your power away outside of you, which includes this image that you're presenting. Stop giving your power. Stop feeding that image, right? Because it's draining you, the real you. So, because right now the world is collapsing. It's collapsing. You've got to be living under a rock not to see the collapse of the world right now. Old structures are collapsing. The cross of planning, the institutions, they're all collapsing. Every single one of them. We're seeing it. Don't cling on to these old structures. And that means you can't cling on to these old ways of being and moving through the world. They're not going to work anymore. The only thing that's going to work is authenticity. That's the only thing that's going to work right now is your authenticity. Right? So people are looking for new authority. Well, I don't see authority out here with these old structures, but, there's going to be false prophets coming out of the woodwork. Follow me. Follow me. I know the way. Just do what I do. Do what I say, right? Obey me. This is like people are looking for this new authority. So I just read an article the other day that the percentage of people going back to the Catholic Church, going to the Catholic Church is like through the roof. What's this? They're looking for authority. They're looking for someone to tell them what to do, right? This is how you think. This is how you behave, right? They're looking for safety. These are the sheep. And if you're watching my channel, you are not a sheep. You are a leader. Right? You're a leader and your authority is within you. If you have anyone out there telling you, do what I say, and I'm going to tell you what reality is, and I'm going to tell you what to do, run away from them as fast as you can, like sprint away from them. The people that you want to be listening to right now, if at all, are the ones that are pointing you back to you. The divine spark is within you. Your own inner authority is within you. You need to stop and go within and listen to your own inner authority. You don't want to end up like the sheep running off the cliff, right? Right now, you want to be standing tall in your own authority. So, and then desperate. People are desperate to attach to something, to merge with. Right? I have no power. I've got to merge with this other thing. I got to merge with money so I can feel powerful. I got to merge with these material things so I can feel powerful. With these powerful people, with this powerful teaching, I need to merge with it. Desperate to attach to something right now. This is the pull. This is the program, the demiurge pulling you away from your power that's inside you. That's inside you. Right? So you don't attach. You're not attaching to anything. You're standing. You're standing in your truth. You're standing in your authenticity. Right? You're standing within the movement of this information field that's pulling people left and right. You are standing. Right? So this is like, another metaphor is like you're a boat. Human design has taught us. This is the gift of human design. It's taught you how your boat works, right? How your vehicle, your boat works. And the transits are you're in the ocean, in the neutrino ocean. Like it's got the boat about to flip. It's got the boat up and then it's calm for a while with the boat, but you stay in the boat. You don't leave your boat and start swimming in that ocean, right? You want to stay in the boat. And that's the test, and that's the challenge. Can I be anchored in my boat through this chaos and out in the world right now? That's only going to increase, right, and intensify. So you want to claim your own inner authority, and that's the divine spark that's within you. And the demiurge doesn't want you to know that. Doesn't want you to know that you have a divine spark, which means you're a piece of God, you're a piece of the divine, and it's inside you. Doesn't want you to know that. It wants you completely distracted on all this. Here's all the images and the cardboard cutouts. Here, I'll give you the script. Oh, you want to be an artist? Oh, here's the script. Here's how you dress. Here's how you speak. Here's how you behave, right? You'll be happy in this image. And what does it do? It gets you out of your divine spark. You're out of yourself, right? The demiurge has 1,000,001 ways to pull you out of your power, right? And especially with Uranus moving into Gemini, right? The distractions are going to come on full throttle for the next 7 years. So your power is your authenticity, And how do you feel that? Is you need to spend some time alone, right? You need to be in solitude. You need to be away from other people's aura. Well, even if it's like, well, my partner's not very noisy, right? Noisy, he's quiet, he just kind of keeps to himself. No, even then you're in his aura. His aura could be quite noisy, right? It's not about behavior and movement. It's about energy. So right now you want to really get in tune with who you are and know your frequency, right? Because a lot of people are like, well, how do I know what's real? There's all this AI. I don't know what's real and what's fake. You just need to know what's fake within you, right? That's the discernment. What's real in me? Oh, this frequency. When I'm just relaxed. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I'm not looking hooking for validation and right and appreciation and I'm not looking for any of that. I'm just naturally me, and you want to know what that feels like. And you want that to get stronger and stronger within you, and then you'll know when the fakery comes. Oh, there's the fakery of being pulled to play this role. I don't want to play it anymore. I'm not going to do it, right? So this is a time really to discern, get in touch with this divine spark within you, which means take some time alone, turn off the phone, put it on airplane mode, right? Just be with yourself.